let's learn to play Jamaica Farewell. We're going to play it in the key of G, so you'll need your G chord, and the chords that we need are going to be in a circle over and over. G to C, to D7, and right back to G, just around and around in a circle the whole time. Now I play D7 with my middle and my ring on the 2nd fret of G and E respectively. I know you can also play it with a bar. You can play the barred version or whatever other version you like. If you like just regular D, that works too. Choose the shape that works for you. So 3 chords, but a 4-bar circle. So you're actually going to play that G chord once at the beginning and once at the end. So in the flow of the song, you're actually going to play G 2 times in a row is what it's going to feel like. So G, 2, 3, 4 to C, 2, 3, 4, D7, 2, 3, 4, back to G, start again on G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. So you're always starting and ending on that G chord. When I add the strum pattern, I'm going to play a Calypso strum. I know for a lot of folks that's the only strum pattern you can play. For those who really struggle with it though, just a quick breakdown, a reminder. I go down on 1, down on 2, up on and. I'm going to skip that 3rd beat, but I'm still going to move my hand down, so I want to feel that 3rd beat. I just don't want to play on it. Up on and, down on 4, up on and again. Put all together, it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and da, 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 da. And unlike other strum patterns, that and after the 2, we do want to give it a little bit of a kick. Usually up strums are not that emphasized. Here's an exception. Ba, 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 ba. So feel free to feel that kick there. That syncopation is what we call that. When there's a beat on an offbeat, or an emphasis on an offbeat, I should say. Let's just get into the chord pattern again. I'll sing a little bit of it, and then I've got one extra challenge for you if you want to give it a try. Here we go, starting G to C, D7, and back to G again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the chorus. I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. Had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Pause there for a moment. So that gives you an idea how to put those chords and strum pattern together. There's one extra challenge I want to offer you in this strumming, and that is what I call a flamenco flare. I don't know the technical term for this. I'm sure there's one out there. You've seen folks do this before. This is where on that, before the and of the 2, so on the 2nd down strum, 2nd beat down strum, right? 1, 2, and. What I'm going to do is kind of roll my fingers across those strings, right? And I'm going to do them one at a time. So if I just turn this way, I roll them across. You can do it with your pinky. Pinky followed by the ring, followed by the middle, followed by the index, right? Sort of in this sequence. And it kind of creates this little ripple effect coming off. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and ba, bra, ba, 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 bra, ba. It's a really fun sound, and it's a nice way to lead into that syncopated up strum. Ba, bra, ba, 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 bra, ba, 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 bra, ba, 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 ba. Adding the chords G to C, D7, back to G again. Notice I'm a little lighter on that 1st beat. Or I might just do a thumb flamenco. Well, I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down. pause right there. Whew, suddenly this doesn't feel like such an easy song anymore, huh? So enjoy that challenge there. I want to give you just one little sort of cheater approach to it. Technically, as I said, you want to be engaging all of your fingers so we really get that nice ripple effect. You can also, if that just feels like a little too much, and also technically if you're a thumb strummer and really like to strum just with your thumb, the other thing you can do is just kind of be a little lazy in that down strum. Drag that thumb a little slower so you hear those individual notes. Right? You achieve a similar effect that's technically a little simpler. It's not the real deal, but I always like to give you options to, fake it till you make it, or you just find the way that it feels good for you to get the effect that you want. Right? We're all around the campfire here. Pick the way that feels like the best challenge for you at this point, as always. All right? So take some time with each of those, the chord pattern, the strum pattern, that extra little flamenco flair as you like. And when you're ready, you can join me for the play along where we'll put it all together in the whole song. Enjoy. Let's play through Jamaica Farewell. I'm going to play it in the key of G. We're going to go in a circle from the G chord to C chord to D7, right on back to G, and then start again, just a 4-bar circle around and around. I'm going to play a Calypso strum with a little bit of a flamenco flair on that second beat. You're welcome to join me on that. If you need to review anything, check out the previous tutorial. Also, just take a moment to check in. What are you working on today? Just your chords? Just your strumming? Just this extra little flair here? Choose your own adventure as you play along. All right, let's warm up with that chord pattern. Starting on G to C, D7, and back to G again. Here we go. Down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shines daily on the mountain top, I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica, I made a stop, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Down at the market you can hear ladies cry out while on their heads they bear ackee rice. Salt fish are nice and the rum is fine any time of year, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Sounds of laughter everywhere, and the dancing girls swing to and fro. I must declare my heart is there, though I've been from Maine to Mexico, and I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. One more time, sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. And on G. Nice work. Come on back and practice with me anytime. Remember, you can always slow down the playback speed if you need, or as I mentioned at the beginning, you can ditch the strumming just to work on the chord progression, or the other way around. Ditch the chords and just work on that strum. Whatever you're doing, enjoy, and take some time to play it on your own too as you put those pieces together. Have fun.